Hi traders, today once again I brought to you guys one of my favorite double pin bar setup. I want to show you how often it forms in the real market and kind of returns it provides. Traders, I promised you in my earlier videos, if you solely look for this setup to trade, you will never be in loss again. Traders, when I started trading I always looked for things which could provide me consistent returns. However, with time I realized that these returns are only possible if you have 3 to 4 good setups which, if you trade with proper money management, provides you returns over the time. One should have patience for those setups to emerge and then make your entry. Traders, in trading we have no place for intuitions and instincts. These two are your biggest enemies. If you trade without proper knowledge and system, you will come to the market like you are already filthy rich, but come out of it to never return again. Market is so dynamic and characterized by extreme fluctuations that uncalled outcomes are always waiting for you. So traders, without going much further, let's discuss the setup which formed on 30th of June, 2025 in GBP/USD currency pair. I have already discussed the rules in my earlier videos. I am again briefing the rules one by one. Our rule 1 is it is mandatory for the market to take liquidity. As you can see in chart that prices took liquidity of swing low on the left side of the chart. Our rule 2 is formation of more than one pin bar, and it is mandatory for every subsequent bar to take liquidity of its previous one. You can see in the chart that 3 pin bars were formed one after other on 15 minutes time frame. Second pin bar took liquidity below first pin bar and third pin bar took liquidity below second pin bar. Our rule number 3 is there should be market structure shift with clear displacement. This means that market after forming last pin bar should form bullish candles with fair value gaps in close above the swing which formed lowest low of liquidity. Traders, it is important for you guys to understand MSS. I will explain it to you some other time, or you can refer other YouTube videos for it. Our rule number 4 is execution. Wait for the prices to return to the last pin bar which took liquidity and resulted in formation of fair value gaps. Traders, it is highly possible that prices will not return to the last order block. In that situation I would rather miss the trade because then my risk would become large and I don't prefer to place trade. Traders, there is one important thing related to the trade that I want to convey is that if market return to the order block after giving a rally, it is highly possible it will again take liquidity below that order block, so it is important that setup should form before giving rally. So traders, I hope you guys understood this concept and utilize it in your trading. Thank you.